Hello everyone, myself Harir Pranesh from Department of Food Technology. The topic which I have discussed in the previous session, which is about processing of major oil seeds in ghanis. In previous session, we have discussed about what is fats and oil seeds and important unit operations involved, extraction of oil, ghani method, mechanism, types of ghanis like wooden and power ghanis and wooden type ghani and metal type ghanis and its pictures. In this session, we are going to see about processing of oil in Chopra. Chopra. It is in Tamil we say as Koparatenga. Chopra it usually contains 69 to 70% of oil on a moisture-free basis. To prepare chopra, the coconuts are first split in half and dried either in the sun or in special dryers. When the nuts are partially dried, the meat shrinks away from the shell, allowing the kernel to be removed easily. The kernel are then further dried to a maximum moisture content of 9%, but ideally to a moisture content of 6%. If the chopra is not prepared carefully and the product is under dried, it will go moldy during storage, that is, it may cause fungus formation, leading to a marked deterioration in oil quantity. So, the preparation should be very careful and the moisture content should be below 6%. The use of the ghani to process chopra. Sun-dried coconut gratings, it contains approximately 3% moisture. It can be processed in a ram press. It is easily processed in a ghani, but it must be first be disintegrated in a hammer mill. Water is added in this process, which is normally in the range of 2 to 5%. The average amount of oil which is extracted, it is about the same as that of obtained by a single pass on a small seal expeller. That is, that is 60 liter of oil it is obtained from 100 kg of chopra. What are the uses of coconut oil? Usually, coconut oil is used as a cooking oil and the preparation of oil and fat blends for the food industry. It has various important industrial uses, particularly it is used as an important ingredient in soap making. Next, we are going to discuss about groundnut. Groundnut, it is an annual plant. There are varieties of groundnut are grown which is differentiated as two types. One is as a bushy bunch or a runner. Groundnuts grow in tropical and subtropical regions and in warm parts of temperate regions. When mature, plants are dug or pulled up and the pods removed by picking or flailing. Bunch-type groundnuts have small to medium-sized pods containing one or two round kernels in a thin shell. And runners have 1 to 3 oval kernels in medium-sized, thicker shelled pods. The kernel consists of about 60 to 70% of the whole nut. Oil content of the groundnut kernel is 45 to 55% depending on variety. Under-dried groundnuts like chopra are very susceptible to attack by the mold aspergillus flavus and hence contamination by aflatoxin. The safe moisture level of groundnut is below 10%. That is, if the moisture level is below 10%, there will be no deterioration and it is safe to use. The picture you have seen here is the groundnut oil. Now, the use of ghani to process groundnuts. Groundnuts are commonly processed in ghanis in India. Groundnut pods are first, they are decorticated by hand shelling or by using a decorticator for removal and separation of the kernels. Then, after removing, they are added in the decorticator and their water is added during this process, which is normally in the range of 5 to 10% for oil extraction. The extraction efficiency range it differs from 60 to 65%. Now, the uses of groundnut oil. The peanut oil it is used to lower cholesterol and prevent heart diseases and cancer. It is commonly used in cooking. It is also used in various skincare products and baby care products. Groundnut cake, which is a byproduct of oil industry, it is rich in protein and it is used as a fodder for cows, goats, etc. Despite having protein value, it is not considered fit for human consumption. And sometimes it is also used as manure for crops. Thank you viewers. In this session, we have seen about extraction of oil from chopra, groundnut, etc. In the next session we will be seeing about extraction by other methods.